Finals crashing a desktop mid-match or freezing. Here's how to fix both of those issues in under 2 minutes with no reinstall, no factory reset. This stops both the crash of desktop and the freezing. Start with your graphics driver, go to your GPU maker's site, and install the latest stable driver. Links in the description for NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. If the crashing or freezing started right after a driver update, roll back to the previous version instead. Then open Steam, right-click the Finals, hit Properties, then Installed Files, then verify integrity of game files. Let it finish. That fixes the corrupted files that can cause mid-match crashing or freezing. Now make sure to turn off any CPU or GPU overclocking and run stock clocks. You'll lose your custom profile until you turn it back on, but Unreal Engine 5 frequently crashes on unstable overclocks. On AMD cards, open AMD software, find the Finals, and switch game experience from HyperRX to standard. That stops the crashing for AMD users. Lastly, turn off your Discord overlay before you queue, and any other overlays you might have. And once you do that, the Finals will run a full match with no crashing or freezing. If this helped, let me know in the comments below.